So this is where we stopped the last time. We talked about different sizes of headings, then we talked about paragraph, then horizontal rule. Today we will be learning another empty element, as I've told you that HR is an empty element. So we shall be learning another empty element. My name is Habiba. So enter. I am popularly known. But you see, in HTML, since they fall under the same paragraph tags, let's see what will happen after I've written it this way. So let me save, then let me come here to refresh. Okay, can you see my name is Habiba and popularly known as? This other statement does not start on a new line as I've wanted it to be. Alright, so this is the statement here. My name is Habiba and I'm popularly known. So if you now want to have it, if you so decide to have it on a separate line, there is a tag we use to do that. It is called break tag. So BR, and you close it. So you see that it does not generate any closing tag because it's an empty element. And this way, let me quickly show you something. Even if I didn't let this come to another line, even if it is like this, let's save, you're going to see that because I've already put the break there, so it's going to start on another line. So that's power of coding. You give computer the instruction you want it to carry out. So that is BR. Then another thing we will be learning is, if you want to burden our any word or statement, if we want to italize, then superscript, subscript. All right, let me put a break again. I am the coin. Let me save this first and let you see it. Come here and let me refresh. Okay, can you see I am the coin? Now I want to burden this coin. Now I want to burden it, so let me quickly remove this for now. So to burden it, you just use this, then B, and you close it back. So whatever you want to be in between, you put it there. And then I come here to refresh. Can you see the coin now? It's just like every other word here. So let me refresh. Can you see? So it has burden. So it is now bold compared to other words. So if you don't want to use B, there is another thing we can use. So let me come down again. Okay, so I want to say that I love my husband. So as you can see, so if I want this husband, if I want it to be bold, so let me quickly remove it from there. So it's not there again. Then I can use strong tags. Okay, then I'll put the husband there. you're going to see that it's going to give us the same thing. So let me save and come here. So this is what we have now. I have the green, so let's refresh. I love my husband. So you can see that the husband and queen, they are both bold. So different tags giving us the same result. B tag, or you use strong tag. Okay, let's learn italic. So how to italize. Okay, let me put italize right. Okay, so to italize you use I tag or em. So let's use I first. I am a coin. So let me quickly save and come back here to refresh. So we're going to see another word. So can you see that now? I am a coin. So it is now italicized, just using I tag. Okay, so let's use another one that is different from I tag. To italize, you can also use em. I am distinguished. So let's save and let's check this place and see what it's going to give us. Can you see? It's the same thing. I am a queen, I am distinguished. So to bold your words or anything at all you want to bold, you use B tag like this, or you use strong tag. If you want to italize, you use em tag or you use high tag. Okay, let's move to another thing, which is the superscript and then subscript. I am okay. So now I want superscript. So if you want to use superscript, we use sup. So I want to put beautiful between there. Then because of time, let's quickly do that of subscript as well. So let me come down here. I have unique. Oh, I want to put the unique inside. I want it to be subscript. So for subscript, we use sub. Ui QUE. So let's save and come back to our browser and refresh. Okay, can you see this? I am beautiful. So this is what we call superscript. Just like if it okay, what can I use? Let me write normal words like Habiba. Then now I want another small word. So for small word, you put small and you close the tag. Can you see it? So let me just put Habiba there again. Then okay, so let's save and refresh. Can you see it? So this is Habiba, normal, the default font size, and this is Habiba when you add small to it. So coding is beautiful. Okay, let's stop here so that I won't bombard you too much. See you in the next class. Have a nice time. Bye.